These serums are two powerful serums that will help you glow your skin, hydrate your skin, and heal your skin. If you have inflamed skin, if you have irritated skin, if you have sensitive skin, or if you have damaged skin barrier, and maybe you're looking for a good face serum that will help you treat your skin and also hydrate your skin and just overall glow your skin, these two serums are going to help you achieve that. Now, starting off strong is this particular serum. Now we have two serum from Beauty of Joseon, and this one is the calming serum. Now this is not your regular serum that you will see every day in the market or the serums that are trending online. But one thing about me is that I don't go for trend, I go for products that work, and this serum is one of the serum that you will use and it will be like love at first use, because you're going to be like, where have you been all my life? That's how you're going to feel after using this serum. And this serum is going to give you the value of your money, because this serum is not quite expensive like some other serums in the market that are trending, but it is also going to help you achieve your desired result. Let's talk about the ingredients we have here in this serum. This serum contains green tea 50% and patinone 5%. Now green tea is going to help treat your skin. If you have inflamed skin, if you have irritated skin, if you have redness on your skin, it's going to help calm your skin like the name implies, and it is a very good serum that is going to help go into the deeper layer of your skin and also hydrate your skin, because it contains 5% patinone, which is going to help hydrate your skin and just give you that extra hydration on your skin. So this serum is one of the serum that you should look at for. It is not just going to treat your skin, but it's also going to help glow your skin so well that after using this serum, immediately your skin will start glowing, your skin will start shining. And using this serum consistently, you're going to be seeing like really massive change on your skin. In fact, within 10 to 14 days you're going to be seeing great change on your skin just by using this serum. So I recommend this serum for anyone that have inflamed skin, if you have redness on your skin, if you have irritated skin, or if you just want to glow your skin overall. Try and get this product because you are going to like it. Sorry about that, my baby has woken up, so I have to go and carry her. Let's talk about the second face serum. I have this one also from Beauty of Joseon, and this is the Revive serum. It contains ginseng and it contains snail mucin. So snail mucin is one of the hydrating ingredients in the market. Like if you really want to hydrate your skin, this serum is going to help you hydrate your skin really well, okay? And it contains ginseng. Is like also a very good ingredient that will help treat your skin. Now if you have oily skin and you're looking for a good serum that you can use for your oily skin, just get this serum, and it's just going to help rejuvenate your skin. If your skin barrier is damaged and you're looking for a face serum that will help you treat your skin, or it just help you rejuvenate your skin, this serum will help you achieve that. This serum is so nice for dry skin, for oily skin. You can use this serum. Unlike the other serum, when it comes to oily skin, you might find it a little bit dry, but this one is very good. It contains snail mucin, which is like one of the best hydrating ingredients in the market when it comes to hydrating the skin for oily skin. So this serum is good, guys. This serum is so good. I will recommend it for you if you really want to rejuvenate your skin, if you really want to treat your skin, if you really want to have that glowing skin, you want to have that shine on your skin. Like, just get this serum, okay? These two serums are power ass. If you try the one with the green tea and you don't like it, try this one. You will definitely like this one, and within 10 to 14 days you will get your desired results. It's not something that you'll be using over and over. Just this one bottle. In fact, before you finish this one bottle, you'll see the result they are looking for. It's so nice on the skin. So guys, try and get any of these serums if you really want to have that glow. Just try and get any of this serum. So we have come to the end of today's video. Please do it to like this video, and if you are seeing my face for the very first time, please do it to subscribe to our channel and join this family, okay? And leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you've tried any of this serum, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.